Hello, dear students. Good morning. In the last class, we are discussing about types of family. We have studied mainly three types of family, that is nuclear family, extended family, and joint family. We already studied the merit and demerit of nuclear family, extended family, and joint family. Today we are discussing the main functions of family. Today we are discussing main functions of family. Look at this. The functions of a family is to create an atmosphere of love and care among its members. What I say? The functions of a family is to create an atmosphere of love and care among all the members of his family. Okay? Yes. We acquire the qualities such as discipline, manners, honesty, share and care, etc. from our family. We acquire the qualities such as discipline, manners, honesty, share and care, etc. from our family. All the family members have these qualities such as discipline, manners, honesty, share and care. Family ensures safety and provide us with feeling of security. Family ensures safety and provide us with the feeling of security. So family is the basic of society. Family ensure safety and it provide feeling of security to all the members. So the main functions of family, we can discuss now the main functions of a family. First one, basic needs. First one, basic needs. Abid is a son of a family. Abid is waiting for his school to reopen. His father bought him uniform and study material. That is Abid's basic needs. So every members in a family have some basic needs. Abid is a son of a family. Abid is waiting for his school to reopen. His father bought him uniform and study material. That is Abid's basic needs. Mainly students have some basic needs like food, cloth, shelter. Abid's father bought him uniform and study material. That is Abid's basic needs. So basic need is a main functions of a family. Second one, love affections. Look at this. Despite being very busy schedule, Amina is a daughter of a family. Amina's mother prepared for her favorite food, that is love and care of her mother. So family members have qualities like love, affections, care. So it is an important functions of a family. Despite being very busy schedule, Amina's mother prepared for her favorite food, that is love and care. So every members in a family have such qualities like love, care, affections. Okay, got it? Yes. So second function, love, affection. Then third function, behavior pattern. behavior pattern. Grandfather constantly remind, grandfather, our family grandfather constantly remind us for the need for, grandfather constantly remind us for the need for respecting elders and being friendly towards others. That is a behavior pattern, that is our manners, behavior quality. That behavior quality we have root through our family. That is a manners. So grandfather constantly remind us of the need for respecting elders and being friendly towards others. That is our manners. That is our behavior pattern that root through our family. Okay, got it? Yes, that is behavior pattern. Then appreciation, next function, appreciation. Fourth function, appreciation. Everybody appreciated Muhammad when he saved the child from the river. Everybody appreciated Muhammad when he saved the child from the river. So appreciation make Muhammad to live more confidently. So appreciation is a very basic functions of family. Appreciation make more confident to children to live more success life. Okay, so everybody appreciated Muhammad when he saved the child from the river. So appreciation is a very basic important functions of a family. Then fifth function, feeling of security. Feeling of security. Feeling of security. When Amina met with an accident on her way to school, Amina is a daughter of a family. Amina met with an accident on her way to school. The first thing she demanded was to take her, that accident person, in home. That is feeling of security given to that accident person. So when Amina met with an accident on her way to school, the first thing she demanded was to take her home, that accident person in home. That is Amina's quality. That quality based through family. That quality given through family. So feeling of security that people have get through our family. So when Amina met with an accident on her way to school, the first thing she demanded was to take her home. Got it? So tell me, what are the main functions of family? Tell me once more a function, that is freedom. Sixth function, that is freedom. Amina's father gave freedom to buy what frock she likes in the textile shop. That is, father and mother gave children freedom. That freedoms positively vibe through children's life. Got it? For example, Amina's father gave freedom to buy what frock she liked in the textile shop. That freedom Amina make happy. Okay, got it? So freedom is another functions of family. Okay, yes, tell me what are the functions of family? Tell me. First one, basic needs. Second, love, affection. Third function, behavior pattern. Fourth function, appreciation. Fifth function, feeling of security. Then last, sixth function, freedom. So very important functions of family. That functions of family, look at this, that functions of family, drawing, functions of family, basic needs, love, affections, behavior pattern, appreciation, feeling of security, last one, freedom. Okay? Yes. Got it? Yes. Now, how do you help your parents at home? Tell me, how do you help your parents at home? How do your parents help you? Tell me. Look at this. How do you help your parents at home? And how do your parents help you? Tell me. What are the responsibility of parents into children? And children's duty towards them. What are the duties of children towards parents? Tell me. Responsibility of parents. Look at these columns. Responsibility of parents. First one, to observe, let the children grow with discipline. Parents always observe the children grow with discipline. It's a very important functions of parents. To look or to forward, let the children grow with discipline. And second responsibility of parents, to provide children with their basic needs. To provide children with their basic needs like food, cloth, residence, and ensure their security. It's a very important function, important responsibility of parents to provide children with their basic needs. To provide children with their basic needs like food, cloth, residence, and ensure their security. That is the second responsibility of parents. Then third, to avail the children quality of education. To avail the children to the quality of education is a important responsibility of parents towards children. To avail the children quality of education. It's an important responsibility of parents towards children. Then fourth one, let a model life before the children. Parents always conscious to let a model life before the children. Everything in model life. Children always look at these parents. So parents led a model life. Before the children. So tell me, what are the responsibility of parents? How do your parents help you? Responsibility of parents. Look at this. Let the children grow with discipline. Look. Let the children grow with discipline. Second one, provide children with their basic needs like food, cloth, residence, and ensure their security. Third one, avail the children quality of education. That is another responsibility of parents towards children. Then last one, let a model life before the children. Let a superhero life, model life. Everything in a model. So children always look parents. So parents led a model life before the children. So that is the responsibility of parents. Then tell me, what are the children's duty towards parents? What are the children's duties? How do you help your parents at home? Children's duty towards them. Tell me, what are children's duties? Help parents in their household work. Children always help parents in their household work. That is first children's duty towards parents. Help parents in their household work. Then study well in a systematic way. Very important. Parents always looks children study well in a systematic way. Children's is a very important. Children's duty towards parents, study well in a systematic way. So parents always happy. Then third one, help younger brother and sisters. Help younger brother and a sister. That is children's duty towards parents. Then obey parents. Obey parents always. Children obey parents. Then last one, respect the elders in the home. We have grandmother and grandfather always in family. So respect our elders in the home. That make parents more happy towards children. That make parents more happy towards children. So tell me, what are children's duty towards parents? Help parents in their household work. Study well in a systematic way. Help younger brother and sisters in your home. Obey parents, always children obey parents. Then fifth one, respect elders in their home. Respect elders in the home, like your grandfather, grandmother. Always respect our elders in our family. Okay, yes, that is the children's duty towards parents. So how do you help your parents at home? Responsibility of parents. Then how do your parents help you? That is children's duty towards them, towards parents. Okay, understood? Yes. Then next, tell me, what does the following works at your home? Tell me, who does the following works at your home? Tell me, who does the following work at your home? Following works at your home. Tell me. Household works. Household works. Member of family. Member of family. Tell me, who does the following works at your home? Cooking. First one, cooking. Tell me, who does the following works cooking at your family? Tell me, member of family cooking. Tell me, mother. Mother. Then second one, gardening. Tell me, gardening. Gardening. Tell me, who does the following works to your gardening work? Tell me, father. Father. Then shop. Then washing clothes. Washing cloth. Tell me, washing clothes. Member of family, who done washing cloth? Who done washing cloth? Mother. Can do mother. Then shopping. Shopping. Tell me, who done shopping? Tell me, brother. You can write brother. Brother. Then cleaning in the courtyard. Cleaning the courtyard. Tell me, who does the cleaning the courtyard? Who done cleaning the courtyard? Tell me, I. Okay, so tell me, who does the following works at your home? In each of your home, this is separate, that is cooking, sometime father cooking. Then here cooking always done normally in mother. Then gardening, father. Washing cloth, mother. Shopping, brother. Cleaning in the courtyard, I. Okay, you can write this in normal way. Okay, got it? Okay, then now features of family are given in column A. Match them item with the column B. Now the features of family, look at this. Now the features of family are given in column A. Match them with the items in column B. Match them items in column B. First point, universal. Second point, limited size. Third point, emotional bond. Fourth point, sense of responsibility. You appropriately, correctly fill up with the column A, match the column A with the column B. Tell me, in column B we can see less number of members in a family. Second, love, affection, feeling of security. Third, carrying out duties. Fourth, beyond the boundaries of national language. Tell me first, a universal. First, universal. Tell me what matching in column B. Tell me what matching in column B, universal. Tell me. Look at this and tell me. Beyond the boundaries of nation and language. So first we can correct match beyond the boundaries of nation and language. Beyond the boundaries of nation and language. That is universal. Family is a universal. Family become a universal. That is beyond the boundaries of nation and language. Got it? Then second one, limited size. Tell me what matching limited size. Second one. Tell me, less number of members in a family. That is limited size. Less number of members in a family. Less number of members in a family. That is limited size. Then tell me third one, emotional bond. Correctly matching what? Emotional bond. Love, affection, feeling of security. Love, affection, feeling of security. Then last one, sense of responsibility. Tell me what matching correct? Sense of responsibility. Tell me last one, sense of responsibility, carrying out duties. Last one, carrying out duties. So sense of responsibility matching carrying out duties. This is the correct matching in column A with column B. Universal. First one, universal correct matching beyond the boundaries of nation and language. Second one, limited size correct matching less number of members in a family. Then third one, emotional bond, love, affection, feeling of security. Then last one, sense of responsibility. Tell me what is correct matching? Carrying out duties. Okay, got it? Okay, yes. So here in this chapter, that is our family, we can discuss what is meant by family definition, then the characteristic of family, then third, the main this family definition, then characteristic of family, then main types of family. That is, we have discussed main three types of family: nuclear family, extended family and joint family. We have already studied the merit and demerits of nuclear family, extended family and joint family. Then today we are discussing functions of family. So very important, functions of family. What are the main functions of family? Mainly there are 6 types of function. Tell me what are the basic needs, love, affection, then behavior pattern, then fourth one, tell me, what is fourth one? Behavior pattern, then tell me fourth function. What is fourth function today? Appreciation. Appreciation, then fifth, feeling of security. Feeling of security, and last function, freedom. So we can study 6 main functions of family. Then we can study some activities based on our family chapter, that is responsibility of parents. Responsibility of parents and children's duties towards parents. Children's duties towards parents. So fifth point we can do some activity, that is responsibility of parents towards children and children's duties towards parents. Okay. Then sixth point, today we done another activity, that is features of family, that is household works, and who does the following works to your family? Members of family. Who does the following works done at your some household works you have given, and who does the following works are duty your members of family. Then in last we have studied some matching, that is column A, some family functions, that is some family features given in column A and column B, and you can appropriately match the column A with the column B. Okay, got it? Yes, this is our third chapter, that is our family. This is our third chapter, our family. Okay, got it? Okay, another notes are given in our next class. Okay, thank you.